In 1945, Japanese General Yamashita made a decision that would haunt the Philippines forever. He had billions in stolen gold, and he needed somewhere to hide it. 175 Filipino workers were forced to dig tunnels deep underground. They carved out secret chambers across the islands, room after room filled with treasure. But Yamashita had a problem. These workers knew exactly where the gold was buried. His solution was pure evil. Prince Takeda arrived to oversee what happened next. Every single worker was marched into the tunnels they had just finished digging. Then the explosives went off. 175 men were buried alive with the treasure they had been forced to hide. But some survived the initial blast. For days afterward, locals reported hearing screams echoing from deep underground, men trapped in the darkness, slowly dying. Decades later, treasure hunters found the proof. Skeletons still gripping their digging tools, still trying to claw their way out. The gold was never fully recovered, but the human cost of hiding it revealed the true horror of war.